My name is Fizel D'Souza and I'm a runner from Goa, a passionate runner. I believe in achieving greater heights. I've broken 800-meter record and I also have become the state champion in my events and have taken parts in many nationals, done my national games in Goa as well. Recently went to national games Uttarakhand for my first triathlon and I was hoping a good results and came back with a good result and with 36 37 athletes all India I ranked 12th, which is a big achievement for us because a Goan runner going up there and getting into the ranks, it's a quite of achievement. So very happy and today in the golden jubilee year in the Goa diocese, they honored me with a token of appreciation. Very grateful to them because I think we require to honor the small achievements. When somebody does something good for you, and we feel good about it. So very thankful and grateful.
You seem quite happy by getting this award and saying that you athletes should be honored. Could you pass on a little message for other of your schoolmates or young girls to take on the event? And could you please brief us on what is exactly the event that Triathlon means?
Okay, first of all, triathlon is all about endurance, and when you do endurance, it's like there's a mind game that's going on in the back of the head. It's like I don't want to do it, but in your heart, like, come on, Susan, let's go. So it's a battle in the mind. It's all psychology. You might work for hours, but then you can't push the finish. Then it's all a mind game. So I think pushing through the end, like doing that 2.5 run and then doing a full 20-kilometer cycle and then coming back, running back again, or swimming. It's quite a thrill, but at the end, it's worth it. And to all my young athletes and friends, believe in yourself. That's like the key. Believe in the supernatural, like believe in God, for because He has plans. That's why you are somewhere and here today, and I'm very grateful to them. And always believe in yourself and aim to achieve bigger, always bigger.
See, now the question is Uttarakhand, the climate, there's a lot of
Oh
difference
yes,
from Goa. So, how did you prepare yourself? Because Goa is a humid
yes.
place, and then you directly go because now it was quite chilly.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
all right there. So how did you cope up with it, and how would you be coping up? Because always it will be different locations and different weather change.
Very true, very true.
So
I think that was the biggest task, believe me, getting from around 36 degrees to going around 6 degrees. It was uh, it was a thrill. So what we decided was we'll go around 4 to 5 days prior to the event so that we get acclimatized with the weather. I remember getting up at 6:30 and going out to get used to the weather, and my feet were literally frozen and I didn't know what was happening. I was like a frog who couldn't feel the feet. So the moment I got in my room, I put my hands and feet under hot water, and believe me, I burned myself just to feel comfort. So it was a great experience, believe me. Like those little things, made the entire game, a good one and a rocking one. Because running in that weather and this weather, it's a huge difference because your body feels more comfortable. You push yourself more, and you don't realize that you're doing it because it's cold weather, and you tend to be more relaxed and more calm down when you run in a cooler climate than in a hotter climate. So it was nice.